Hi friends, subscribe to support and click on bell icon to get all latest notifications.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And like today I have fixed a number plate for my bike, and I'm gonna show you how it was done, and I'm gonna show you the video like after this part. So I'm gonna tell you what all the items which has been used. So wherein the person was installing the number plate, he was in bit hurry where no one was in shop. So I'm gonna tell you what was the main tools and the items were required. So where it is an IND plate, which is an aluminum plate where it will be punched on the plate. So first I gave an order for the plate, so he got the plate in one day. So then he used two machine screws, which is black screws, two you can see over there, and he used two nut and bolts. The size, the number for the nut and bolt was number 10, and he used one clamp, which is the number plate holding clamp for Activa. And the tools, these are the items which need to fix it. And the tools which was used was one star screwdriver and two number 10 spanner, and these are the items which you required. So first he just like we got the plate, so as soon as we got the plate, he made a drill on the plate so he can fix that plate to the bracket or the plate holder. So then next we're gonna mark on the front part of the Activa using the holder, the number plate holder. And then we will not gonna drill over there, we just like using the machine screw, we're gonna put some pressure, and using the star screwdriver we're gonna tight it. After that he will like what he did is like he used two nut and bolt, and he attached to the plate and he tightened it. So this was the simple process. So it was very simple. So if you they wanna make a hole, we have to take bike to the garage and everything. But this was a very simple. Within like he did it in 3 to 4 minutes. This process was completed. So you can just get the number plate and you can just buy these parts from the local automobile store, and you can do it yourself. So you can save up to 100 rupees or 150 rupees, or else by paying extra 150 or 100 rupees they will help you, like they will help you in installing it. But wherein the number plate costed me around 300 rupees, like 300 to 3 yeah, I'm sorry, I paid 350 rupees for the number plate. And wherein for the installation he charged additional, whereas the complete process. So I'm gonna share this video, and thank you so much guys for your continuous support till now, and you guys have given me helped me in like reaching 5,000 plus subscribers. Please do need your support. Please do share my video, and if you're still not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Click on the bell icon over there so you can get all latest notifications. And I need your complete continuous support guys, so I can improve my channel. Please give me my feedback on my channel so that I can improve my videos, and like how to talk, and just please give me the feedback so I can improve everything. So few people asked me to make a video in Hindi. So as I told, I'm from Bangalore, I'm a Kannadiga, where I'm not that great at Hindi, but still have made few videos on request. So please let me know any video which you need in Kannada or Hindi, so I'll be able to make this video in the particular language. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just make a voice. I'm gonna add the voice in particular language, and I'm gonna upload. So thank you guys for watching this, and let's move to the main part. I'm gonna show you how it was done. Thumbs up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna fit this number plate to my Honda Activa, and Ria's gonna help us today to fit this, and this is Ria's shop where you can see here, and he's my friend Riaz, and he has all stuffs over here. You need any biking items, helmet, everything, you're gonna come. And this is the address. If you are from Bangalore and you are near to Kerpuram, you can come here. You will be getting this in a very good price, the best price. And we're gonna show you how to fix this. So this is the clamp, and we have used the marker, and we're gonna punch it using a drilling machine. is how we're gonna make a point and we're gonna drill it. We're gonna make 2 holes. So once we are done with the hole, we're gonna use this screws, which is called machine screws. We're gonna fit it to the bike, and these are the nut and bolts, which this will be fixed. This clamp gonna fix, and you need tools like 1011 screwdriver, spanner, and there is one tubular, and these 2 nut and bolts. So now we're gonna make a mark on the board, also the front board. So this is how we're gonna keep it, and we're gonna mark. So then we're gonna drill it and fix the screw. You can just put the hand pressure and you can just tighten it up. So it's a plastic fiber. So if you wanna drill and put some nut and bolt, you can do, or else just by screwing up, it's gonna hold, as is a machine screw. We're gonna fit on the left side. It's just a hand pressure you're required to just tighten it. If you wanna like put some nut and bolts, you're gonna drill, add 2 small nut and bolts like this, and you're gonna fit. And now we're gonna split the plate. This is the very simplest and simple trick where you can fix your number plate. We're gonna use the other nut and bolt to tighten the number plate. So now we're gonna tighten it. Gonna hold it from the back. And this is how we have fixed it. And thank you, Riaz bhai, for fixing this. And you can come to his store. So I'm gonna share the location. You have huge lot of items, like you get all bullet, helmet and everything. So this is the store it is. And if you like this video, please do like, subscribe, and help me in uploading more and more videos. Thank you so much, guys.